the news came out that this was going to be an event, like the 500 celebration of Magellan's navigation. In the beginning, it was really easy for everyone to kind of be angry about it and dismiss it, saying like, why would I celebrate this? Why am I going to be a part of an event that was actually kind of the beginning of a destructive era for a people and just for a region? Because not doing the event seems like it's a form of resistance, seems like it's a form of protest, but really it's a missed opportunity to have a voice. You're celebrating Magellan, but we want to celebrate that period in our own way. We want to show you that we're still here, even despite everything that went on all the way back then.
When you say putting us on the map, it makes me think of the like Magellan's naming of our islands and calling us thieves and that whole discourse. Because so like before I went to sleep last night, my mind started thinking of like, what if this could be like a political cartoon, like something like that? And really, Magellan started to just look like someone who visited a restaurant and like didn't like the service, so he went on Yelp and called us and like gave us a low rating and like called us like, oh, these thieves, like, you know, after first complimenting like how nice things were and how we were skilled navigators.
So long as we're remembering, you know, where it came from, and so long as we know that what we have now today is something we made, this Chamorro Catholicism, and that's ours, and we don't have to give it up. And you know, it's something we love, but we do understand how we got it. We understand how they got it, how they gave it to us and gave it to everybody else. But I think just owning it and realizing the history of it is a you know, that's the important part.
As one of the ways to help the people of Guam is that there needs to be an apology somehow, because throughout the whole history of Guam and colonization, so not just from World War II, but just on and on and on, it's just the cycle of us being taken advantage of and abused, and you know, there's the idea of generational trauma.
So for me personally, I'm not interested in an apology from Spain unless it's followed through by like political action. And if there are any, unless it's followed through by any sort of implication to our current status, any sort of reparation.
I was trying to imagine what it would have been like to have been on those proas, just in the video there, and I felt a sense of pride. I'm glad that the navigation groups on Guam organized that. I think it was a statement. It's conflicting. I saw like a close-up picture of the ship and how, you know, the U.S. flag was raised above ours, and the discourse on that online was just like it's still a reminder that like we are still colonized and there are mixed feelings. I think we rose to the occasion.